Are we going to move or no? We to stay or no? So it come agreement. Afghanistan said they were not going to move. Kurdish said they are not going to move. Such as my area, I said we are going to move. For me, I don't have power to fight with police. I don't have power to do anything. So it come misunderstanding. When they see my community with, we have moving, now there doesn't come balance. These illiterate people from this bridge, they have moved. If we don't move, it will come another problem. So they also respect the law and move from where they said we should move from. So this is how everybody respect the law and they move from where they said everybody should move. And such a jungle life, we have moved to another place, and these days we have been seeing snow, critical condition about cold. This is how bad, because it's getting worse. So this is how we are living in jungle. 87, we meet all the things. So we have one here. Here is and here is three. And then today they release us, then we come back to settle our life. So always, because I said we don't have any bad record from jungle or bad record from France. This is our community. Sure. Someone will say, oh, these people, they are living better life. Look at how they are eating.